Hi children, today we are going to continue chapter 5, exercise 5. So under exercise 5 we are going to see how to find out the factors by two methods. So what are the two methods in the sense? One is by multiplication method, one is by division method. Okay, so first we will just see how to find the factors by multiplication. So for that I have just took the example of to find factors of 12. And we are going to find the factors for the number 12 and using the multiplication concept. So first I am going to start with 1. So I told you always when you find the factors, start with 1. So 1 table if I take, how many times I will get 12? 1 12s are 12. So then 2 table, will I get 12 in 2 table? Yes, 2 6 are 12. And then 3 table, 3 4s are 12. And then 4 table, 4 3s are 12. And then 5 table, no, we will not get 12 in 5 table. 6, next, 6 2s are 12. So then 7 table will not get, 8 table will not get, 9 table will not get, 10 table, 11 table also will not get 12. And then 12 table. 12 ones are 12. Okay. So, see if you see, these are the factors of 12. Okay. So, these are the tables and even these, see even in the sense 1 12s are 12. So, this 12 is nothing but your 12 table also. 1 12s are 12 ones are. Okay. So, you can also consider these two numbers are the factors of any number which you take. So, here I am going to just write it as 1, then 2, 3, 4, 6, then 12. Okay, see even in the sense like you can also write 1 and 12, 1 12, then 2 6, 6, then 3 4 times. Okay, and then 4 3 times. See if you see 4 3s are, this 4 and 3 we have already written, 4 and 3. 6 2s are, next this 6 and 2, even 6 we wrote, 2 we wrote. 12 ones are, 12 and 1, 12 and 1. Okay, so obviously anyhow if you write, both are same. So multiplication in the concept is, this is how you will find out. Okay, so I'll just show you one more sum. Factors of 15 we are going to find. So first 1 table, how many times? 15. 1 15s are 15. Then 2 table, will we get 15? No. 3 table, yes, 3 into 5, 15. Okay, so if you see 1 and 15, 1 15. Okay, and then 3 5s are 3 5. Okay, next after 3 4 table will not get, 5 table, 5 3s are 15. See if you see 5 and 3 we have already written. Okay, and then 6 table will not get, 7 table no, 8 table will not get 15, 9 no, 10 also will not get, 11 table, 12 table, 13 table, 14 table also will not get 15. So directly we will get 15 into 1, 15 ones are 15, 15 table 1 times will get 15. So this 15 and 1 we have already written. Okay, so this is how you will find out your factors using multiplication concept. So therefore we got 4 multiples, 1, 3, 5 and 15. So these 4 are the four factors of 15. See, if you see in both the factors, so factors of 12 has 6 factors and factors of 15 have 4 factors. So in both the factors of the numbers, if you take the first factor is 1. That is 1 will be your smallest factor of any number, and the greatest factor, if you see among the 6 factors, 12 is the greatest number and the factor, and that biggest factor or greatest factor will be the number itself. Okay, even here if you see, the greatest number and the greatest factor which we found here is 15, and this 15 is your number itself. The factor of this 15 will be your number itself. Okay, so next we will see how to find the factors by division concept. Okay, the same how if you take 14 can be divided by 1 table. Yes, how many times? 14 times. 1 14s are 14. If we divide this 14 by 1, here also I am starting with number 1. Okay, so how many times 14 will come in for 1 table? 14 times. So 1 14. Okay, next 2 table. 14 divided by 2. So when this 14 is divided by 2, how many times you will get 14 in 2 table? 7 times. Yes. So here 2 tables 7 times. Yes. 3 table. Will we get 14 in 3 table? No. We will not get 14 in 3 table. And then 4 table? No. 5 table? No. 6 table? No. 7 table? 14 divided by 7. How many times we will get 14 in 7 table? 2 times. Yes. So here if you see 7, 2. So this 7 and 2 we have already written. And then 8 table. 8 table? No. 9 table? No, we will not get. 10 table? No. 11, 12, 13 also we will not get. So again 14 times. 14 table will be divisible in 14 table. How many times? 1 time. So this 14 and 1 we have already written. So therefore we got 4 factors using division method. We have found out 1, 2, 7 and 14. So these are the 4 factors which is countable in any number. If you take, your factors will be countable. So here we got totally 4 factors for the number 14. Okay, so the smallest factor is 1 and the biggest factor is 14, which will be the number itself. Understood? So next one more example, factors of 30. So we are going to find the factors of 30 using division concept. So 30 can be divided by 1. How many times? 30 times. This 1 and 30 I am writing as a factor. Okay, and then 30 divided by 2 table. Is it divisible? Yes. How many times? 15 times. 2 15s are 30. So this 2 and 15 I am writing here. And then 3 table. Can we divide this 30 by 3 table? Yes. How many times? 10 times. 3 10 times. And then 4 table. 30 can be divisible by 4 table. In 4 table will we get 30? No. 5 table. How many times we will get 30 in 5 table? 6 are 5 6 are 30. So this 5 and 6 I am going to write here. Okay. So next, after 5 table, 6 table. So 6 table, is it divisible 30? Yes. 30 divided by 6. How many times 30 will come in 6 table? 5 times. 5 6 are 30 and 6 5s are 30. So if you take this 6 and 5, we have already wrote 6 and 5. Okay, and then 7 table, 8 table, it will not possible. 30 cannot be divided by 7 table. 8 table, it is not divisible. 9 table also we will not get 30. And 10 table, 30 divided by 10. How many times? 3 times. Yes. So this 10, 3. So this 10 and 3 we have already wrote as a factor. We have found here. Yes. And then 11 table, 12 table, 13 table, 14 table. So it is not divisible in all this 11, 12, 13 and 14. And then in 15 table. 15 table, how many times? 2s are. 15 2s are 30. So this 15 and 2 we have already written. And then after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, it is not possible. 20, and then you will get 30 table. So to the last you will not get till 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Till 29 table we will not get 30. So directly to the final last 30 table divisible by 30. 30 can be divisible by 30 table. How many times? 1 times. So this 31. So this 31 we have wrote already. So understood? So this is what how you are going to find the factors by using two different methods, using multiplication concept and then division concept. Okay, so when you do more and more sums without writing these division concept and multiplication concept, you can directly find the factors by just running out your tables, and you can check in which table you will get that particular number. So hope you have understood. Thank you, children.